bush viper, also known as Atheris, refers to a genus of highly venomous snakes found primarily in the rainforests and woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Bush vipers are relatively small snakes, usually ranging from 18 to 30 inches, 45 to 76 centimeters in length. Though some species can grow longer, they display a variety of vibrant colors, including green, yellow, orange, and red, often with intricate patterns and scales that help them blend into their natural surroundings. Their bodies are covered with keeled, overlapping scales that give them a rough, almost spiky appearance. They inhabit dense forest, woodlands, and sometimes swampy areas, preferring regions with abundant vegetation. These snakes are primarily arboreal, meaning they spend a lot of time in trees and bushes. Their prehensile tails aid in climbing and maintaining balance. Bush vipers are generally nocturnal, hunting and being active during the night. The venom of bush vipers is hemotoxic, affecting the blood and tissues. It can cause severe pain, swelling, and in some cases can be fatal if untreated. While they are venomous, bush vipers are not typically aggressive towards humans, and bites are relatively rare. Bush vipers are fascinating creatures with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their specific ecological niches. Their striking appearance and potent venom make them both intriguing and dangerous inhabitants of the African wilderness.